In the box, we get the handset, USB cable, SIM tray ejector, pre-applied screen protector, a protective case, booklet with a warranty card and a quick guide. This sleek phone has a lovely color called mystery black and is ergonomically designed to look aesthetic and fit comfortably in the hand. It has a 6.5-inch water drop screen with an 89% screen-to-body ratio and a 600 by 720 pixels resolution, which can be unlocked with the rear fingerprint sensor. The phone even has a 3-card slot for dual SIMs and a micro SD card. Its 8-megapixel front camera has an AI beautification feature for gorgeous selfies. The triple lens with a 12-megapixel main camera along with a 2-megapixel macro lens and a 2-megapixel depth camera provides highly detailed images with vivid colors and crisp quality. The octa-core processor and 6GB RAM allow me to switch between multiple apps smoothly, while the 4230 mAh battery allows me to surf the internet and use it for long hours without needing to charge. The 128GB internal memory is more than enough for all my apps and games and stores all my pictures and videos, but you can always expand it up to 256GB.
The OPPO A31 is a sleek device that offers some really good features too. The phone comes with a 6.5-inch water drop multi-touch screen that has an 89% screen-to-body ratio with 1600 by 720 pixels and 269 ppi pixel density. Viewing content on this panel is a delight. We have a 4230 mAh battery with fast charge technology, and it got us through most of the day with heavy usage, be it gaming or watching content. With a 2.3 GHz MediaTek 6765 octa-core processor, we didn't feel any lag while multitasking or using heavy applications. We also have a system-wide dark mode on this one to reduce strain on our eyes and lower power consumption, along with an eye comfort mode. We get multiple options to choose from in the native camera app too. OPPO phones come with a feature called Digital Wellbeing, which helps us to keep track of how much time we spend doing various activities on the phone. We can manage our usage through this feature, like restricting screen time and even restricting access to some apps or websites for parental control.
Introducing the OPPO A31 in lake green color. The phone is powered by the 2.3 GHz MediaTek P356765 octa-core processor. It is also available in fantasy white and mystery black shades. In addition, it is also available in a 6GB RAM size variant. It has 4GB RAM and 64GB inbuilt memory with 256GB expandable storage. The device allows for dual SIM functionality with 4G support. It sports a 6.5-inch water drop screen display with 89% screen-to-body ratio and 1600 by 720 resolution with 269 ppi density. The OPPO A31 features a 12+2+2 megapixels triple rear camera and an 8 megapixels front camera. It operates on the ColorOS 6.1 operating system based on the Android version 9. The phone is powered by a 4230 mAh lithium polymer battery. It measures 16.4 by 0.8 by 7.6 centimeters and weighs 180 grams. The box includes a handset, USB cable, SIM tray ejector, pre-applied screen protector and protective case, warranty card and quick guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.